Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to solve the error something went wrong, please try again in Play Store. So as you can see here, if I just click on update this particular app, I am getting this pop-up called as something went wrong, try again. So I will be showing you how to solve this issue. So first thing what you need to do is you need to just go to your settings, alright, settings of your phone, and you need to go to installed apps, alright. So for me it is present in more settings, applications, and I will be having this installed all. I need to go to all. So this may differ from phone to phone, all right. And in this, we need to just go to G, all right, where we'll be having Google Play Store. So it is over here, Google Play Store, and just click it. And what you are doing is you need to click on storage, and you need to just clear the cache. So just clear cache. Next thing what you need to do is you need to just clear the data as well. So just click on clear data and give it clear. So that's it, we have entirely cleared Google Play Store, and now just come out of the settings and just again open Google Play Store. So I will just click it. So after opening Google Play Store again, it will ask you to select your Google account. So just select an account, and now let's just go for that particular app that I wanted to update. So I will just type it out, and if I just now click on update, so this time here you can see I am not getting that issue, and it is now updating and installing the app. So this works perfectly fine. So really simple thing, just clear the cache and clear the data of Google Play Store. And if this also doesn't work, what you are doing is you're just going to go to your settings, all right, settings, and maybe try changing your date and time, all right, whether you're having the correct date and time. So just check that, and I hope these two are like the solutions for that. You can just try it out, and I hope you have found this video useful. Mine is a programming channel, by the way. I've done many tutorials in C, C++, Java, Python, Node.js, React.js, SQL queries. So do check other videos of my channel, subscribe and support me. Thanks for watching.